Hi, I'm Matt with Big Matt's Trains on Instagram and YouTube, and I have a wonderful product I just got from my mother-in-law for Christmas. Just opened it. It's the Brewery from Menards. It's brand new this year, and if anybody knows from my Instagram page, the main industry on my layout is a brewery. As you can see, I already have plenty of other Menards buildings. The thing that I love about Menards buildings is the amount of detail that they put into them. Check the loading dock out here first. The figures and the beer kegs, there's even a few cases of beer over here, and you can actually see that they are Sprecher cases of beer. I don't have power to it yet, but this sign, I believe, blinks. There's also an indicator light up top, on top of the water tower, which is very nicely detailed with the planks and even retaining wire around it. Very nice detail on the bricks all the way around. The back of the building looks good. The only thing as far as appearances go, and this is with some of the Menards stuff, is right down here you can see where you're supposed to plug it in. It all uses 5-volt DC, which I can show in a later video. A lot of the times, let me get it out of here. A lot of the times, Menards has been including a wire on the bottom, and they did right here for your 4.5-volt, 5-volt pigtail right here. Looks like there's a lot of wiring and stuff inside, but they look like they have quite a few LEDs. I'll give you a shot right up in there. The wiring's a little haphazard, but you don't really see it, and that's okay. I'm kind of nitpicky on there. One interesting thing I did see that you may be able to modify somehow if you wish. I personally will not. It looks like you have a nice entry here, almost like on their power station, where you could pull hopper cars into the power station. It looks like you might be able to modify this to do the same thing with box cars and loading. Personally, I'm not going to do it because I already have something that does that. But if you're into modifying stuff, it is. But overall, the amount of detail, look at the roof panels. I mean, the amount of detail that goes into this, and these buildings never disappoint. They're nice and heavy. I can actually squeeze them, and I have big hands, and they're quite durable, even for a temporary layout, in my opinion. Other minor little imperfections is when they glued this together, they must have used hot glue. I don't know if you can see it here, but there are a few little feathers of hot glue, little strings that kind of appear here, almost like dust. Sometimes there is a little overgluing, like right there is a little overgluing on the back side here. Very minor things. In all honesty, I'm very impressed with this building, and I'm excited to put it on my layout, which you will see later, no doubt. So overall, great job, Menards. You've made yet another great building, and it's going to make a wonderful addition to my layout. So hopefully you enjoyed this. Like I said, there's more videos to come. I'll even show a video of me placing this and making my new brewery building and taking my old building out and possibly even using it as a distillery. That's to come. So till then, keep on rolling. This has been Big Matt. Thanks.